Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this entire look for you. There's a lot going on here. It's shimmery and sultry. I was playing around with a few new things that I got from a care package from Ulta Beauty. I wanted to use it for you guys on camera because it's a first time for me. So basically this is a first impressions video on a few products. Not all of them were winners, but yeah, you get to see how I felt using them for the first time. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, make sure you get to see it again by giving me a thumbs up. Let's get right into this video. I had a lot of fun creating it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply my eyeshadow base, and this is by Urban Decay. It's Enigma. I'm basically doing this first impressions exactly how I would do my makeup. This brush is by E.Cosmetics and it's exclusive for Ulta. We're going to go in with this eyeshadow palette. This is by Pure Cosmetics, and what I really like about this palette is that you can just take this insert out and then you can customize your eyeshadows. So for the base, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm not going to put this on my lid. I'm going to put this right above my crease. Any colors I blend in my crease, I can diffuse above my crease. Now I'm going to go in with an even smaller brush, and I'm going to move this way. So I'm not going to use this last color in this look, but I am going to use this one and this one. So next we're going to go in with this one, and then to deepen the crease we're going to go in with this one. Now we're going to go even deeper. I'm going to go in with that deeper color, and we're going to go further down, so closer to the lash line and underneath the crease. Now we're going to move on to the center of our lid, and I want a shimmer color. I already know which color I've been eyeing, and I'm going to go in with this rose gold color right here. So while it did apply pretty nice with the brush, I want to intensify it. So I'm going to try it with my finger. And now I'm satisfied. This is so pretty. And what I really love about it is that it is going on so smooth. It's not chunky at all. It's so pretty. So now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Before I finish off my eyes, I'm going to move on to my foundation. Another first for me is going to be these Pacifica drops. This is their gem serum. It has watermelon, quartz, and lemongrass. It's great for all skin types, and it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So what it says is that the rose quartz, watermelon, and lemongrass come together with graceful mica to boost your skin's aura and glow. I'm going to use this instead of my regular highlighting drops just to try it out. It smells so good, like candy. So for foundation, this is not a first impressions foundation for me because I have tried it. I have fallen in love with it already. It was just a little hard for me to get my exact shade. So I'm hoping that I have the right shade right now, which is why I never showed you guys on video. But here it goes. And this shade is Honey number 5. And this concealer is not a first time for you guys. This is the Infallible Pro Glow, and the shade is 04. And I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes, as you guys can see. Mama over here does not get any sleep these days, so I should probably start color correcting by now, but I am the laziest makeup YouTuber ever. this foundation and the concealer blend really nicely together, and it all looks really nice on top of that Pacifica. So I want to really try out this product right here, and it is the Butter London Glazing Blush Jelly, and it's that same concept of like a jelly highlighter, but this one is a blush. So it's a little bit intimidating, not gonna sit here and lie. Well, things can go really wrong at this time. And I've already done most of my face. Okay, we're gonna blend the crap out of this. I'm gonna say this is not something that I would pick up on my own. I'm gonna have to put it on the other side, but I'm definitely going to put another blush on top of this. Put this blush and then blend everything out. I'm going to go in with the Balm bronzer, and this is Take Home the Bronze in Tony, which is one of their darker shades. You guys know I have a favorite bronzer that is a foundation color. It's really pretty. And this is another first for me. It is by Persona Cosmetics. This color is called Zuma, and it's the Cali Glow highlighter. Girl, this is absolutely stunning. I didn't expect so much to go on. Okay, so for underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs gel liner pencil, and this one is in Fine Wine, and it's so pretty. It is a favorite of mine. I have used this before. And then I'm going to go underneath. And I'm just gonna smoke it out, and this brush is the Laura Mercier smudge brush. Makes sense. And I'm going to just work with these two colors right here. I'm gonna blend the two of them together and just smoke underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with this Benefit mascara. This is the Bad Gal Bang, and it says bigger, better, volumizing mascara. So let's see about that. Very pretty. What I do like is that they're so black. For my lip, I'm going to go in with this Vice lipstick from Urban Decay, and it's called Bun Bun. It's a comfort matte, so it's not supposed to feel uncomfortable. I have used these lipsticks before. They are super comfortable. So I'm going to line my lips with Bite Beauty in 40, which is 40, because there's no name, it's just 40. And this is by Incredible Cosmetics, and it's their new iridescent jelly, another jelly. And this one is called Show Glow, and I'm going to put this over my lips. So thank you guys so much, and until my next video, stay beautiful.